Hey, what is happening, YouTube? It is the Outdoor Guy 365 coming at you with another video today. I know it's been a while for a couple of videos here, so what I'm doing today is I'm working on the Toro Power Clear 821 QZE. This is my single stage snowblower, and I'm going through the process of replacing the paddles on the auger because the other ones, they kind of wore out, and that's not a good thing when you're trying to throw snow. And I tried to cheat and get the bolts, the nuts and bolts, through the areas where they have to go here on the sides, but because of this little guy here, the belt drive, you can't get a wrench or a socket or anything worthwhile in there that's low profile enough that keeps it in place for when you try to secure the actual paddles on this shaft here. So that's what I had to do, is take the actual rotor out to be able to finish this project, this job. So how do we do that? So what I did was I grabbed my socket wrench, an extension, and I also have a deep well 3/8 socket, and that's also 3/8 drive because I'm using a 3/8 ratchet. And there are 3 bolts up here, 1, 2, 3, and you also have to come in and take this belt cover off and the pulley that's there. All the same size, all 3/8. Won't need anything different. And there's 1, 2, and 3 bolts that come in here. So again, 1, 2, and 3. No big deal. And how you get this out is it sits in here like so, and all you have to do is tilt up and pull out and away, and that's how it comes out fairly easily. So now I'm going to try to put the other paddle on there. What I did with the other paddle, since this one proved to be kind of difficult, I've gone through and I sped up the process so that way the video is shorter. I actually tried to seat the bolts in there, these guys, so that way they come and are flush with the rubber material. That way it's easier to put on when I go and try to attach them. So that's what we're gonna go and do here. So we're gonna just hang right here, and there is our wonderful auger. Now what you do need also to attach these, I forgot to mention, is a T25 and Torx, and I have a nice gear wrench 7/16 wrench that I'm using. I use the ratcheting end when I'm attaching the bolts, and then I just secure them with the wrench as I'm holding them with the Torx screwdriver. So let's take a look at what I took out of here. So now as I'm grabbing these new pieces, here is the new one that I put these all in so I could get these started, and I put these in with a hammer. So we got all those set. I just have to take the nuts off. And just to give you guys a comparison, these are the extended life paddles, and here we go with the original paddles. Look at the difference in thickness of how the paddles are. It's quite literally different than how there's a lot of thickness difference. And you can see how they wore out. It wore down to the cords basically, and this right here, this flapping, that's not gonna throw a whole lot of snow, if anything. So yeah, it was definitely time to change this. So that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna take these nuts off real quick, and we're gonna go from there. So this should be fairly straightforward, fairly easy. So let's see how this goes. And then of course we're going to put the cross member on there, so that way there's some rigidity and stability when we go to put for the auger to have in the middle. So we're going to take these off. We can get them off. Also, I should mention there is a wear indicator hole here. Once you pass this point, like right here on the edge of this hole, it's time to replace the paddles. So now, as I take these off, this will be done in a fashion where it's made easily done. So hopefully this will go quickly, and I'll be able to get all this stuff attached, and you can see that. I was trying to, like I said, cheat the system, but sometimes cheating the system doesn't work so good, especially in this situation. Let's not topple the camera. That would not be good as we're working here. So these guys went on a little too tight when I set them, so that's not any fun. And we'll be back with part 2 showing how we get these off. Be right back, YouTube. Hang 10.